Welcome to Craft Menu Channel, the home of creativity, craftsmanship, and inspiration. Here, we take you on a journey through the wonderful world of woodworking. From simple do-it-yourself projects at home to the most advanced modern designs shaped by cutting-edge technology. Whether you're a beginner picking up a hammer for the first time, an experienced professional sharpening your skills, a seller searching for designs to promote, or a buyer exploring what to purchase, this channel is made with you in mind. Our vision is to connect all levels of the woodworking community in one place, where ideas, designs, and products can flow freely, inspiring everyone to create, to share, and to grow. Let's begin with something simple but powerful: woodworking for our beloved animals. Designing birdhouses, chicken coops, dog kennels, or small pet shelters is where many woodworking journeys start. These projects are accessible, affordable, and incredibly rewarding. With just a few basic tools and a little creativity, you can craft safe, warm, and attractive spaces for your pets. A birdhouse hanging in your yard doesn't just give shelter. It also fills your mornings with cheerful songs. A neat wooden dog kennel offers comfort and protection to a loyal friend. These small builds represent the heart of woodworking, where care, love, and skill meet in ways that bring joy to both the maker and the user. As we move forward, woodworking evolves from these simple projects to breathtaking modern creations. Thanks to today's technology, woodworking has entered a whole new dimension. CNC routers, laser cutters, 3D modeling software, and precision hand tools allow us to create designs that were once impossible. The same hands that once built a simple birdhouse can, with practice and technology, produce customized furniture, high-end wall decor, or even modular wooden homes. What makes this exciting is that growth is available to everyone. You don't have to stay at one level. Our channel provides guidance every step of the way, helping you transition smoothly from basic to advanced woodworking, showing how tradition and technology blend into a perfect balance. Craft Menu Channel isn't limited to one type of audience. It's designed for all. Beginners come here to learn the foundations and take on easy projects. Experts come to refine skills and explore modern designs. Sellers come to discover trending ideas and showcase their work, while buyers visit to explore what they can purchase, customize, or order. What makes our channel unique is that we give you 3 practical options with every design. Make it yourself, order it from a producer, or buy it ready-made. This approach serves the entire woodworking ecosystem, making us a hub where ideas are created, shared, and turned into reality. This This video also acts as a promotional space for sellers, designers, and producers. Every design we showcase attracts attention from viewers, and through our comments section. Buyers often share feedback and interests. That feedback is golden. It allows sellers to improve products, designers to adjust their creativity, and producers to know what the market is looking for. Our platform doesn't just educate, it connects creators with customers. In this way, Craft Menu Channel is both an inspirational classroom and a promotional marketplace, giving equal value to learners, professionals, and businesses. Wood is not just material, it is part of our lives. Think about your home. The shelves that hold your books, the bed you rest on, the cabinets in your kitchen, the dining table where your family gathers. All are examples of wood's presence in everyday life. Outside the home, wood builds restaurant chairs and tables, benches along beaches, and shelters in forest recreation areas. Farmers use wood for fences, barns, and storage spaces. Even in modern offices, wooden desks, storage units, and laptop stands remind us of the beauty of this timeless material. Our channel celebrates this diversity, showing how wood supports us in every space, from the simplest household item to the grandest modern design. Beyond homes, woodworking extends to outdoor and recreational uses. Wooden bridges, benches, and picnic tables decorate parks and forests. Temporary shelters and cabins bring comfort to travelers and adventurers. In beach areas, wooden huts and seating add a natural, inviting atmosphere. These designs are both functional and artistic, blending with nature while serving human needs. Our channel highlights these uses, teaching how you can create outdoor-friendly designs with durability and style. For those who love recreation and tourism, woodworking provides endless possibilities to enhance experiences and build memories with family and friends. At Craft Menu Channel, we strongly believe that woodworking is more than just production, it's passion. For producers, each piece carries your personal creativity and craftsmanship. For sellers, every product you promote brings joy to someone's home or workplace. For users, owning wooden products means connecting to something natural, timeless, and sustainable. We want to motivate everyone in the woodworking community. Keep creating, keep promoting, and keep appreciating. Every small project matters. Every piece tells a story. And every step you take keeps this craft alive and thriving in our modern world. A key part of woodworking is not just creating or buying but also caring for wooden products. Wood, when treated well, lasts for decades. We encourage viewers to clean wooden surfaces gently, polish with natural oils, and protect from moisture. For outdoor furniture, applying weather-resistant finishes ensures durability against sun, rain, and wind. Even simple acts like keeping wooden shelves away from direct water contact or polishing furniture once a year can extend life significantly. By caring for wood, you honor the work of the craftsman and protect your investment. On this channel, we regularly provide maintenance tips so your wooden items always remain strong, polished, and beautiful. Our audience is already global, and we're proud to have supporters from different countries and cultures. Woodworking is a language that everyone understands. It speaks of creativity, beauty, and connection with nature. By subscribing, commenting, and sharing our videos, you help us stay motivated to provide even better designs and tutorials. Your participation turns this channel into more than just a source of videos. It becomes a worldwide community where people inspire one another. Together, we are creating a movement that values quality, creativity, and sustainability in woodworking. As we close, let's bring everything together. Craft Menu Channel is your all-in-one space for woodworking, covering everything from simple home projects for birds and pets to advanced, technology-driven furniture and construction. We provide inspiration and practical guidance for beginners, experts, sellers, and buyers alike. We include 3 clear choices with every design. Produce it yourself, order it, or buy it ready-made. Our channel doubles as a promotion platform for sellers, while also teaching care and maintenance for long-lasting products. We celebrate wood in every form: indoors, outdoors, in homes, restaurants, beaches, forests, farms, and beyond. So, if you want to grow, learn, and be inspired, stay connected with us. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. Because your support keeps us dedicated to serving a global woodworking family. Thank you for joining us today. Stay creative, stay motivated, and keep building with love.